Session Judge Imphal East convicts 2 men in rape and murder of a woman, junior research fellow at RIMS Pathology Department in April 2013. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan Lemon's theatre evolution has taken a backseat in the state due to digitization. MPCC demands Chief Minister N. Biren to hand over Health Minister portfolio to someone else, citing health sector needs extra focus to battle COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur reports 54 new COVID-19 cases and 2 deaths in last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 324. And India's COVID-19 tally crosses 98.84 lakh with over 27,000 cases reported in last 24 hours. Recovery rate nearing 95%. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm Ibeto Tokchon. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. Now the top stories and latest news at this hour. Session Judge Imphal East Maibam Manoj Kumar today convicted 2 men in the rape and murder of a woman, junior research fellow at RIMS Pathology Department in April of 2013. Her body was found at Wangkai Laumanbi Lokol under Irilbung Police Station on April 5, 2013. The convicts are 28-year-old Ketri Mayum Bizu, Elias Holendro, son of Ketri Mayum Ibocho from Irilbung Tongkong, and 27-year-old Toijam Thesis Elias James Bond, son of Toijam Jugindro from Tambalkong, Sabalekai. The judgment was announced via video conferencing. Ketri Mayum Bizu was booked under IPC Section 120 Clause B, 302 and 376, while James Bond was booked under IPC Section 120B and 302. It may be mentioned that the SIT team, led by additional SP, filed charge sheet against Ketri Mayum Bizu at Judicial Magistrate Imphal East on August 28, 2018, while Thaudam Jiban from Irilbung Machahal Laikai, who was also serving jail term, was declared innocent. The court ordered to release him from the jail. Sentence hearing of the 2 convicts is on December 19. JAC against the rape at Yumnam Patla Power Substation has postponed its proposed agitations on December 16 until December 31. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, JAC spokesperson Jiten Nongthombam said the decision was taken following requests by the police. He said police requested more time to solve the case as forensic report will be sent outside the state and it will take time owing to COVID-19 pandemic situation. He warned of intense agitations if culprits are not awarded befitted punishment by December 31st. It may be mentioned that one C.H. Rabichandra from Uyumpok, Awanglaikai allegedly brutally raped a 29-year-old woman and led her to die. And Imphal East SP had assured to file a charge sheet within December 15.
Matam khradang logjage haidana thijinbirba police department ki maikadi JAC da kanna hairakpadagi khongjang junction gani haidana December ki tarik 13 tagi khongjang junction gani haina aikona lautoksikhiba adu matam khradang relax tawjaraga December ki tarik 38 phawbugi manungda hairiba charge sheet asi thagalakta taragadi aikoi hairiba JAC na makhal makha kyagi khongjang junction gani haina haijakhiba adu makha jatajagani.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has lamented that theatre evolution has taken a backseat in the state with the advent of digitization amid intensifying revolution to strengthen theatre movement across the world. He was speaking at the 6th Foundation Day celebration of Pole Star Theatre in Kwakaithil Mayakoibi Mamang Community Hall today. MP Ranjan called upon the public to always keep in mind that Manipur is world famous for its rich art and culture and sports. He said that the state government had declared one-time grant to theatre centers of the state who have achieved national and state level awards, and the same declaration is included in the BJP vision document. He further assured that the state government has also discussed on providing monthly allowance to theatrical teachers. Dr. R.K. Ranjan also mentioned that state government has implemented provision for monthly pension to sportsperson and initiated various measures to boost art and culture. Attendees paid floral tributes to late theatrical teachers at the event.
Art and culture amasung theatre da ngauriba mioising asidi masagi sentok lambi se wat koi karimba kanda topa profession amada earning leiraga leisure time da art and culture mu pamjabagi yawba group su leitabadi nate adumoinaba karimta tawdana theatre amasung manipur ki culture asida lupsal laga masidang ena khallaga leiba sentok lambi leijadaba adugumba mayam singado Baduda Manipur Sarkarna pencil pin na bagi koi scheme amasu yad ki badi hari punamak se nasigi ekoi bu lusing biriba honorable chief minister Shri Birena sports amasu tongan bakharadadi implement to bahore aduna theatre amasu art and culture shidasu kharamakai pangthok khare.
Congress party has demanded Chief Minister N. Biren to hand over the health minister portfolio to someone else, citing that the health sector needs extra focus to succeed the battle against COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee M. Hemanta said more than 1,000 patients used to get treatment at RIMS OPD in a day, but now less than 100 patients visit the hospital. He also asked why the Go to Village mission has been on hold when medical facility is the need of the hour. He said health checkup and free health camp through mobile dispensary should be carried out under the mission. He also criticized the government of not taking action for recruitment of 300 doctors and 106 nurses even after 1 year of notification.
Nongmada lising amam nungti jarki OPD lamba narena lamba jingdo ngasi laktri baje tasengna makti khungangduda leiba Manipur sida nada dana lakpa amta natie moi loina nari bang haktani adu moi lakpa sikhi mase Manipur da healthcare in Manipur is in crisis akoina di leirena loge adu gamena natraga atope agency na leitena lordi leira kaduri bra haiba sigi section thorang ama Manipur Sakada Tawning. So I say that we go to village mission. Kungang Zalway was a Nixon Bay, Masi program was effective when it over Taragati. They pack it Luraban Narmatam, go to village mission, say, a Jikari, a Hoyto, I don't know, Masi, a Hoyi, health protection mission, Masemaga, mobile dispensary services, Salagakoi, health checkokumba, the Gi, a Hoyi, pre-medican, Kangumba, or nice to way Adabra, I don't think with a Hoyi, my Kadi, Tamjaning money.
Education Minister Sarok Habib Razin has reiterated that state government is committed to improve education sector under School Fagadhansi mission. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, he sought for cooperation from parents, guardians, teachers and students to make the mission successful. He also mentioned that Cabinet has approved amendment of Manipur Official Language Act 1979 and the same will be tabled in the State Assembly session scheduled in February next year to allow students appear for various combined competitive examinations of India in Bitai Mayek.
Senapati the Pongiva Cabinet ki mifam madudaida Manipur Language Act 1979 da Public Service Commission da ekoigi law na official level oiraga ekoi parikha thaba yaba aduga mayekti Bengali mayek khaktang oirambado nahan gi cabinet na ekoi Manipur Language Act 1979 sigi seida yauriba Bengali mayek si yaujaraga su oblique thamakanda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯇ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠꯅ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯐꯝꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯕꯪꯒꯥꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯛ 1979 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯐꯝꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ
Agriculture Minister Oinam Lukhoi today highlighted achievements and undertakings of State Agricultural Department from 2017 till 2020. Speaking to media at BJP office in Netia Pachutek today, Minister O Lukhoi said 1,400 metric tons of Manipur's organic black rice were exported and around 9,800 metric tons of organic high-yielding variety crops were produced in the state this year. He said that 6 different farmer-producer organizations and companies are promoting organic cultivation under Mission Organic Value Chain for northeastern states in Manipur, promoting not only black aromatic rice but also other organic high-yielding variety crops including corn. The minister added that Agriculture Department has formed a subcommittee including experts to give their valuable inputs in enhancing agricultural productivity in the state. He maintained that 7,654 water harvesting structures have been set up to provide micro-irrigation to around 17,000 hectares of paddy fields under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana.
Double COVID 2020 dagi akoi Delhi ki district sing sida koi hoji koi target tham se 8,240 hectare si hari mafam sing si loina double cropping to bo yar bo mafam ngatani geotagging to bo loire agriculture gi oiba agri tech haidana koi ama masigi portal ama koi develop tawjare farmer sing ne hena transparent oi oi de habi khangning ba leiraga su koi tawjari ba thabak sing si mapung phai phade haibo wakhande lebiraga su hoji gi hari ba koi gi sigi potential da changbiraga sigi kano sida dum yeng bi ba yagani Agriculture Department na farmer sing sigi da makta piri ba du ma tongan ba machinery me ama leiri 2017 dagi hoji phau si da khoi piri si individual dana 1438 numbers farmer group tana 675 total da khoi hoji 2017 dai na hoji phau si da 4719 si farmer sing sigi khoi deliver tawjagre
Center is holding nationwide Kisan Sammelan to raise awareness on the 3 new farm laws. Kisan Sammelan will be held in Manipur at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound tomorrow at 1 p.m. Speaking to media, Chief Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Tongtham Bizoi, claimed that the new farm laws will benefit farmers. He said that the new agricultural reforms will facilitate farmers in Punjab and Haryana in marking their mass produce and boost income.
Farmers singida more option to marketing to whether no more option people Manipur di masia koi thidona khangroi achubu state sing di agriculture produce marketing committee mayanu mandi ne khangnari che masida state assembly laws amta manade tawraga farmers singje mandi da loina yolhan bagi chanabi amal leirame ada masdida kari akai ba lake da kuishalaga mandi dagi akoi beda leiriba middleman sing mandi official sing na farmer sing sigi apa mamal pi bangam daba adagi makoi da yam sengna harada minam chabi ba adu makaya tholakpadagi sigi reform che porakune.
On the other hand, members of Manipur Lomi Loop carried out a protest demonstration today in solidarity to the ongoing countrywide agitations against the contentious 3 farm acts. The sit-in was staged at Irawat Bhavan in BT Road, followed by a rally from the Bhavan till BT Road. Speaking to media, protesters condemned the central government for implementing the bills into act in favor of some corporate houses. Members of CPI Manipur State Unit also took part in the protest. Manipur University Students Union accorded a warm welcome to newly appointed Manipur University Vice Chancellor in Charge Professor Amar Yumnam at VC Chamber today. It may be mentioned that he was appointed as Vice Chancellor in charge in the Manipur University Act 2005, Statute 2, Clause 6. Speaking to media, Musu President M. Bobi revoked their decision to shut down the university as new VC in charge has been appointed. Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Amar Yumnam assured to complete the standstill admission process of Manipur University within a week. In an exclusive interview with Impact News Today, Professor Amar Yumnam stressed on the need for Manipur University to connect with universities of other states to become an excellent university. He also stressed on the need to look uplifting colleges affiliated to the university. Professor Amar Yumnam assured to end to issues of a recruitment of various posts during the tenure of the previous VC. Lamenting about the COVID-19 pandemic on academic career of students, the Vice Chancellor in charge assured to commence offline class at the earliest. He also assured to conduct Manipur University Students' Union's election in near future.
University is a university amawana, not just as an office. University is a university wana kamana putawak tawanjike. University wana tawamatamda kunamutar kale international networking report amsuyamna takarle. Ujike matamda university ama haibasi isolation ta leveyaro. Pitribiki lewa yamdrapata Southeast and East Asia ke university mayamsika karmai tawtana mari kankalangatake. COVID is a kid of a pony. Sina permanent of a potty nate, pot to Madom Dama, Kana, focused on singing. Satising emission process. I know Isaac say, Antaki Hapta sing Manunda, emission loan lotion Gadubane. Satra Nataba Larigasu, Neo Mamaki Makara, guest and a Mayakshona like Gadubane. Ka Ahum Maridi, every hostel, guest room on a Tambiro, Akuna Satra Nataba, hostel later Gachu, Maru guest when a lake, Hariso guest when a classified Taraga system, Makara to the Porane, to manage and if I pali relation, Portumate, Taholaro Haitar.
Publicity Secretary of Diet Students Union Imphal East R.K. Ichantoibi has warned of carrying out class boycott along with various student organizations if the government failed to appoint a regular principal at Diet Center in Kaikol, Imphal East within December 16 or to let Sasiranjan carry on as principal in charge. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, R.K. Ichantoibi condemned Diet Employees Association for affecting the academic atmosphere. She said students of the Diet Center object the Education Minister's recent announcement that tenure of principal in charge will not be more than 6 months. She appealed to stop frequent change of principal.
Akwai upai lejade, akwai misang sanggasu lejade, aduki mati tola badigi tola bane. Concern Minister no satabidre, akwai ki mahiro ki pende wakat kanan tabi gani. Sumategi ngasi Honorable Chief Minister lengaki mapi oriba mahang na tabi bana tana akwai ki dikari su upai su leitre. Haizen ngi ba form of the la kadri Education Minister na tapi bada la kadri principal in charge ano bosu sumategi thatru. Thatru ko mano program tungda ano principal amung lahan ba. Masna ipong na takle madudi akwai ki Diet Institute ase principal in charge ki sel phala on bagi thamdok thamjin masis na akwai ki academic atmosphere da karam na akwai akai ba pin oidino masida Education Minister na takpi madudi administrative da mahiro yawlakano karam na yawdino tangdu laita da administrative system masida akwai ki academic atmosphere da sohali ba si Education Minister na khangbi dabra.
Manipur reported 54 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 and 2 deaths in the last 24 hours. As per State Health Department and COVID-19 Common Control Room press release at 5 p.m. today, Manipur's total confirmed COVID-19 cases have reached 27,209, out of which 2,146 are active cases. In the last 24 hours, 2 COVID-19 patients, a 75-year-old man from Churachandpur district and a 50-year-old man from Bisnupur district have passed away at District Hospital, Churachandpur and Jenims respectively. With this, death toll has reached 324. On the positive note, 152 people recovered in the last 24 hours, with this total number of recovered cases have reached 24,739. State's recovery rate improves to 90.92%. Infected persons are 53 from the general population and 1 is personnel of Central Armed Police Force. Infected persons from the general population are 17 from Imphal West, 14 from Imphal East, 7 from Tamenglong, 5 from Thoubal, 4 from Ukhrul, 2 is from Chandal and Churchandpur district and 1 is from Bisnupur and Kaching districts. All are locals without any significant travel history. They are being shifted to COVID care facilities and necessary measures are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. Keep watching Impact News.
Banthubi Housing Finance Company Limited, regulated by RBI, specified as a financial institution by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India under SURFACE Act 2002. First license holder public limited housing finance company in the entire northeastern region of India, completed its 15 years of service. Provides home loan with the subsidy amount up to rupees 2.67 lakh under PMAY Credit Link Subsidy Scheme, PMAY CLSS Housing for All by 2022 mission. Government or private employees, businessmen can apply. For more details, kindly contact Banthubi Housing Finance Company Limited or reporter Mamlaikai Imphal.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English Bulletin. India's COVID-19 tally has crossed 98.84 lakh with 27,071 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. On the positive note, India's active COVID-19 cases have dropped to 3,52,586 in the last 24 hours, raising recovered cases to 93,88,159. Country's recovery rate rises to 94.98%. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, death toll has reached 1,43,355. Maharashtra is still on top with above 75,000 active cases of COVID-19, followed by Kerala with above 59,000 active cases. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 7 crore 27 lakh 42,000 people. Above 1 crore 6 lakh 20,000 people have died and recoveries are above 5 crore 9 lakh 48,000. USA is on top with more than 67 lakh 6,000 active cases of COVID-19, followed by India and Brazil. While China, from where the pandemic started, is at the 79th position with just 313 active cases of COVID-19. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol carried out an awareness program on COVID-19 at Kairao Maibam ground in Imphal East district today. Members of Imphal East District Committee and Youth Development Center Club jointly organized the event by strictly adhering to COVID-19 related SOPs. Kada, Apunba Manipur, Kanba Imalub and Tangkham Awang Leikai Women Association also jointly carried out COVID-19 awareness at Tangkham Kalika Shanglin today. Tamil Sangam More organized an awareness program on COVID-19 at the Sangam's conference hall in More today. Various community leaders, members of various organizations and locals attended the program. A bomb exploded at a forest ranger's residence in Nomaibung Seram Lairak under Porompat police station in Imphal East district today. Impact News sources said unknown miscreant exploded a bomb at Ren's officer of Forest Department, Seram Sosikumar's residence around 4:20 a.m. There is no casualty. Police team led by Imphal East District Additional SP Operation Emroni, SDPO Porompat Suraj and Commando OC Herojit immediately rushed to the site. Proscribed KCP Noyon Group is suspected to have carried out the explosion, as a suspected team of the outfit demanded a ransom to the Forest Department few months ago. Porompat Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Manipur bomb disposal team disposed of several bombs seized by Manipur police from various places under Mayang Imphal Police Station in 2009 today. The bombs, including 39 lettered bombs, 2 pipe bombs and 4 hand grenades, were disposed of at Pangai's shooting range with the court's approval. It may be mentioned that a combined team of Mayang Imphal Police and Imphal West District Commando unearthed the huge cache of bombs following a race of a suspected cadre of proscribed RPF PLA in 2009. As a part of security measures, a team of Imphal West District Commando carried out cordon and search operations at Nagamapal today. The team, led by Commando, DSP and OCP Atoba under the overall supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal West El Emergid, carried out the drive from 6:30 a.m. till 7:30 a.m. and verified 90 people. 5 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station for necessary investigation. Imphal West District Traffic Police detained and issued fines upon traffic violators in Thangal and Pauna market areas today. The team, led by additional SP Traffic Police under the overall supervision of Traffic Police SP, seized 222 vehicles and issued fines of 35,400 rupees to the violators. Speaking to media, Traffic Police urged the public to abide by traffic rules and regulations. Police appealed to riders of two-wheelers to always wear helmets. They also appealed to parents not to let their underage children drive vehicles. Beneficiaries have alleged Yaripok Municipal Council, Thabal District of depriving them loans under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Speaking to media, the beneficiaries said Yaripok Municipal Council notified them to start house construction within August 30 this year to get loans under PMAY. Following which, they began construction by taking loans from moneylenders at a high interest rate amid the tough times of COVID-19 pandemic. The beneficiaries condemned Municipal Council for failing to grant the promised loan even after 3 months stipulated time. They also expressed disappointment at the lack of response from the concerned chairperson and ward councillor despite repeated pleas till date.
मोइने जो युम साबिनी हारे साबिदरे अदगी पैसा कापीनी हाबजु कापीदरे अदगी युम साबजु संबिदरे ऐने निजे दी युम साबजु संबि खतंगी
कोई पैसा मी पूरा साबने पैसा तो
हांदे बोइदो जो कोइना बुदि हारनेबा अखोइ जो अहमदो कोइना सादबिदा लेरे लेबिसदा अखोइना मोइना जे 30 दगी हेनबे यारो एन तबुदे मिओंदे पैसा पुरगा साबने बसे अदा फास्ट की सोय गाइदबिदा अखोइ सेकेंड बोगे दम पैसा मिओंदे पूरा सारे अदुगा पैसा दो कापीरो न हाबिदो जो कापीदबि लेरेबा मिगी सेंदोइ पूरा तबुने अदा मयामजा पूरे मिगी सेंदोइ पिबिदबा सेले पिथोगो तौनरिदा.
Kanglai Park Students Association, Jiribam District Council has demanded repair of Jiri Tipaimuk Road by January 15 next year, else warned of intense agitation the following day. Speaking to media at KSA JDC office in Jiribam's Babupara today, KSA Jiribam District Council President Bonson Lauriyam said the road is in a deplorable condition.
JT Road haina khangnariba jiritu tipaimur haina khangnariba masigi lambi se masi ngasi bokta jibamgi JT Road hariba lambi ase adu kimate hainga lethana kham thengna amatta lambi ase chappa ya koi yongna phattare amatta phattare asamga koi gi jiri ga manipur ga yingnoro kanda di pora ayuk ka nungdanga akoi huji bokta nongani ngamdri jibam disiga se adu de sothaba kaya maram oidina koi asamgi state ki yingnoro ga yam thina koi asamgi mangdi yam thin ikai ba ko eba koi yam thina document ikai ba koi kayuka kaino kanda khoi asigi lambi si lambi thongge su yengo khoi gi barak cycle subdivision ama puri ba sigi lambi de chu sampu phawga dori ba mathang mathang mizoram kar phawga ya ba lambi sina adugi mati khamthing na phattare.
Street lamps in Mori town are not functioning for the past 15 days. Commuters are facing immense plights, especially during nights. It may be mentioned that a team of electricity department had cut off electricity following complaints of electric shock from wiring of the lamp posts. Locals have appealed to look into the matter at the earliest in view of the upcoming Christmas festival. Women Against Crime Manipur has released its monthly web series Chaitheng's fourth episode named Nupi Khaki Wayel Loishangla. Thoubal SP Dr. Sarangthe Mibomcha released the episode at Thoubal SP Conference Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha hoped that the web series will facilitate in reducing crime against women in the state. Thoubal District Police Additional SP Operations S. Sachidananda and women police officers took part in the event. Epoch Films Production has felicitated winners of state-level online solo dance competition 2020. Wangjing Tentha MLA Paunam Rosen presented certificate and cash awards to the winners at Manipur Press Club today. Management Committee of Trinity Public School Mongsangai today felicitated student of the school Ningthau Khongjam Piona who secured 14th position in HSLC examination 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur. The Management Committee presented a cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Piona. A team of Singzamai Police Station under the initiative of Singzamai Police OCP Sanjoy today felicitated 24 budding footballers of the state. The 24 budding footballers between 9 to 10 years of age have been selected to participate in the ongoing football training at Minerva Academy Coaching Center in Punjab in preparation for 2034 World Cup. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Session Judge Imphali's convicts 2 men in rape and murder of a woman junior research fellow at RIMS Pathology Department in April 2013. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan laments theatre evolution has taken a backseat in the state due to digitization. MPCC demands Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane to hand over Health Minister portfolio to someone else, citing health sector needs extra focus to battle COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur reports 54 new COVID-19 cases and 2 deaths in last 24 hours. Death toll reaches 324. And India's COVID-19 tally crosses 98.84 lakh with over 27,000 cases reported in last 24 hours. Recovery rate nearing 95%.